Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to compare Beehiiv and Ghost, two fantastic tools for creators. Let's dive into the comparison. First, let's talk about Beehiiv. Opening an account with Beehiiv is a breeze, requiring no technical knowledge. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to get started. Plus, Beehiiv's editor offers extensive options for writing and content creation, including custom HTML capabilities for advanced users. When it comes to SEO, Beehiiv is solid, offering the essential features you need to optimize your content for search engines. Its default optimization settings are well optimized, requiring no additional plugins or configurations. For growth tools, Beehiiv shines with features like email automation, referral programs, and A/B testing for newsletter titles. These tools are essential for creators looking to grow their audience and engagement. Customization-wise, Beehiiv excels in newsletter customization, allowing creators almost complete freedom to customize the visual identity of their newsletters. Its intuitive editor and section-based layout options make it easy to create unique and engaging newsletters. When it comes to pricing, Beehiiv offers a free option for up to 2,500 subscribers and a scalable plan for larger audiences. Now let's talk about Ghost. Opening an account with Ghost is also straightforward, requiring no technical knowledge. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to get started. Ghost's editor offers extensive options for writing and content creation, including custom HTML capabilities for advanced users. When it comes to SEO, Ghost offers advanced options like custom canonical text and redirects, making it great for optimizing content for search engines. Its default optimization settings are well optimized, requiring no additional plugins or configurations. For growth tools, Ghost is decent, but lacks some features like email automation and advanced marketing tools. However, its robust writing tools and advanced SEO features make it a great choice for content-focused creators. Customization-wise, Ghost offers more flexibility for website customization, including the ability to create landing pages without code. However, its newsletter customization options are limited compared to Beehiiv. In conclusion, both platforms have their strengths. Beehiiv is ideal for creators prioritizing newsletter growth and monetization options, while Ghost is great for content-centric websites. Choose Beehiiv if you're focused on newsletters, and Ghost if you're focused on content. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Beehiiv and Ghost for free. Thanks for watching.